So let's talk a little bit more about exercise. Of course, you can go to extremes and now work out every day for 2 hours. But really think about it. In my view, our lives are busy as they are. So exercise has to not only fit into your life, but I think it also should give you energy. So for example, if I do 20-25 minutes of workout, then it gives me energy. But if I work out for 1.5 hours, I'm usually quite exhausted afterwards, and then it gets tougher to get through your day. So make also sure that you choose exercises that give you energy. This does not mean, though, people, that you don't have to break a sweat. So interval training, I'm going to talk about in another video, can be a great idea. But make sure that the exercise overall enhances your life and gives you more energy. So let's let go again of that perfectionism and rather aim for consistency and really keeping at it.